Hi, and welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Pam's behind the camera today. The recipe we're going to be doing for you is really easy. You've heard of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich? Well, we have brisket, so we're making a brisket cheesesteak sandwich. Okay, let me show you what's in this recipe. We have our brisket from a previous recipe that we did, and we just thawed it out. And we have bell pepper, onion, mayo. We have some provolone cheese. We're going to be using some butter on these beautiful rolls, these bread rolls right here. And that's all it is. So let's get busy showing you how to do it. All right, to prepare the bell peppers, we're just going to cut them in long strips like this. And we have some red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And we're going to cut our onion in half. Probably not going to use all of that. And we're just going to slice it like this. And that's the way we're going to prepare it, and that's the way we're going to cook it. All right, it's really easy. So we're going to go right to the Blackstone. We're going to be cooking on the Blackstone E-Series griddle. All right, let's do this, man. I'm getting hungry. So we're going to put a little grapeseed oil on here, and we'll put our onion. Throw all that pepper on here. Throw a little bit of oil on this side. Now we're just going to saute this down for a few minutes until it gets nice and soft. The E-Series griddle is really good for this because, first of all, we're cooking inside. Hey, it's like 100 degrees outside right now, and I do not want to be outside. And the other thing is it's a non-stick griddle, cleans up real easy. It's electric, so there's no gas. And also, there's a lid to it. I don't have the lid on, but if I wanted to, I could use it. So give me a couple of minutes, and we'll get this sauteed down, and then we'll put the meat on. And now, we're going to add on our brisket. Oh my God, does that smell good? Ooh, that smokiness from the smoker, and that gravy. Remember the gravy we made? Look at it. Man, that's beautiful. So tender. Well, we have the griddle set to 400 degrees. So we're just going to saute the veggies and let the meat heat up until it's time to make the sandwich. All right, the brisket is getting really tender now. I just chopped it all up and get ready to make that sandwich, you know. And we'll just flip over the veggies a little bit and make sure they get soft. They don't have to be like super cooked down. I don't want them to be limp, too limp, you know. But boy, they are smelling some good. Cannot wait to put this on a sandwich. All right, we're getting ready to put the breads on. Okay, we're going to open that up. Do this one. All right. Now what we're going to do is push the brisket over because it looks really warm and tender, and we're going to push over the veggies because these babies are about done too. And now we're going to add some butter. Like this. And we're going to put that baby right on there. Let it suck up a little bit of that butter. I'm going to turn it that way. And let's put some more butter on here. I already had them cut. Well, all right. Oh man, get that butter in there. That butter's gonna brown the rolls up nicely. That's gonna be good. Ooh, I can't wait. Now I love some mayo on my sandwich. Now I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna take some brisket and divide it up. Okay, and we're gonna cover the meat with the provolone. She likes the cheese. And so now I'm gonna help that provolone to melt. Just gonna put a little sizzling hot bell pepper and onion right over that. Oh yeah, that provolone's starting to melt. It's looking good. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Now that's a brisket cheesesteak sandwich. Beautiful one too. Look at that. Beautiful. That is a brisket cheesesteak sandwich, and we're about to dive into that thing. So let me clean up the mess a little bit. Wow, I'm telling you, these sandwiches are so awesome. I love the way they came together with the onions and the bell peppers and the brisket, and it came together so good. I can't wait to knock one of these babies out. Got to have a little pepper to go with it, right? That's good. Well, let's dig in. I know I've had a Philly cheesesteak sandwich before and it's really good, but this is probably right over the edge of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. That brisket cheesesteak sandwich is so good, it's amazing. So you really have to try it and let me know what you think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on our brisket cheesesteak sandwich. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, share our channel with your friends, your family. It'll help us out. And hit that notification bell. That way you know when we come out with new videos as soon as they air. And by the way, we do plan to do 2 a week, a Wednesday and a Saturday. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your week. Go get you a a brisket cheesesteak sandwich. And God bless you.